Hi everyone, welcome to our short series on web scraping with Python. In this tutorial, we will try to learn what is web scraping and its uses or applications of web scraping, and also we will go through the requirements to get started with web scraping. So first we will see what is web scraping. So web scraping or web harvesting or web data extraction is a data scraping used for extracting data from websites. And we can say there are two types of web scraping. One is extracting the data directly from the source code, and other one is API scraping, that in each website we will get the data directly through the API, exposed API. And what are the uses of web scraping? It is used for web indexing, web mining and data mining, online price change monitoring and price comparisons, and product review scraping, gathering real estate listings, weather data monitoring, website change detection, and so on. And to continue with our web scraping series, so one must have these three requirements, that is basic knowledge of Python and HTML DOM structure, and Python installed in the machine, and we need to have these libraries as well, requests and beautiful soup. So we will see more on the coming videos about these libraries. And I want to add one more note in this one, that a lot of companies, they do web scraping but for their own benefits, but not all the websites or companies will allow other bots to do data scraping on their website. So it is always recommended to go through their legality, like whether those websites are allowed to scrape the data or not. And yeah, that's it in this video. So in our next video we will see how we can do data scraping from the job portal, and we will continue from there.